Definition of math words by Quincy Romero. Probability. The chance of something happening or getting something. A great example of probability is like when you entered a raffle and 5 others joined. You have a 1 out of 6 chance of winning, or spinning a spinner 4 times and you get 3 times. You have a 3 out of 4 chance of getting 3. So with probability, let's say this is a spinner. There are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And each side is worth 25%. The chances of you getting 3 are either 25 out of 100, but mostly called 1 out of 4. Expression. A number and a symbol grouped together to show the value of something. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. The number 2 and 3 are grouped with the symbol of the plus sign to get 5, or 3x plus 4 equals 7. It has one of the symbols and the numbers. So, to make an expression, you gotta have a number, in this example, 4. Most of the time, you might have to have 2 numbers, so how about 4 and 2? And we need a symbol, which will be the plus sign. The plus sign means to add both of the numbers together and get a value. Equation. It says that 2 things are equal to each other. It will always have an equal sign. For example, 4 plus 4 equals 8 and 2x equals 12. They have an equal sign and mean the same. To do an equation, you need 2 or more numbers. That would be either added together or minus together to equal the same thing. And since if you add 2 to 6 will equal 8, they are the exact same thing. Substitute. To replace a letter like X with a number. For example, X equals 5. So in this equation, X plus 6 will be the same thing as 5 plus 6. And in this equation, X equals 2. So 2x plus 5, which is 2 times 2 plus 5, would be the exact same thing. Another good example of a substitute is for an equation like 2 plus x plus 3x. We can say that x equals 1. They mean the exact same thing. So that means we would write the equation again, but replace all the x's with 1. And when there's an x, there's a mistake there. When there's an x right next to a number, that means when you find the value of x, you multiply it by the number in front of it. Solution. A value or more values can replace a variable such as x for the equation to be right. For example, x plus 2 equals 10. If we change x with 8, it would be true. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 5x plus 5 equals 30. So, if we replaced x with 5, it will be 5 times 5 plus 5 equals 30, which is true. A good example of a solution is x plus 6 equals 10. Now, you can't add a letter to a number. That doesn't make sense. But if we replace x with 4, that would make it 4 plus 6, which will equal 10. Infinite has no end, never stopping. For example, pi is infinite after the decimal point, or you can enter the lottery infinite times, and you will have a hard time winning. Thank you. Another example of infinite is in numbers. So, also you start off with 1, 2, 3. Actually, you'll start off with 0, but you go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you kept going, you soonly get to this. You think that's just a sideways 8. That's an infinite sign. That means it will keep going.